This is Deep Sea Live. A lone fisherman is out in the middle of the ocean when he notices something strange floating near his boat. But when he goes to investigate, he can't believe what he saw. He quickly grabbed his camera and started recording. What this fisherman saw was so rare that it had never been seen before. This moment was not only exciting for him, but also for science. They were seeing an animal that we didn't even know existed. The animals that live in the deepest parts of the ocean are some of the most mysterious creatures on our planet. There are many unexplored areas in the depths of the ocean, and there's no doubt that there are many more strange and scary creatures living down there that we have uneven discovered yet. These animals have adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth, and some of them are truly bizarre. In today's video, we will be exploring some of the deepest parts of the ocean and showing you some of the rare creatures that were caught on camera during a recent expedition. You won't believe the things that we found, so make sure to watch until the end. We'll start by looking at the strange world of deep-sea coral reefs. These are some of the most beautiful and unique ecosystems on Earth, and they are home to some incredible creatures. One of the things that makes deep-sea coral reefs so special is the fact that they are some of the oldest living structures on Earth. Some of these corals are hundreds of years old, and they have been around since before the pyramids were built. One of the main reasons why deep-sea coral reefs are so unique is the fact that they get their energy from tiny animals called polyps. These polyps are related to jellyfish, and they use stinging cells to capture small prey. This is how they get the nutrients they need to survive in such a harsh environment. The polyps work together to build a calcium carbonate skeleton, which forms the structure of the coral reef. This process is very slow and can take many years, but the results are truly amazing. One of the most incredible creatures that lives on deep-sea coral reefs is the lioness maned jellyfish. This is one of the largest jellyfish in the world with a bell that can be over 6 feet wide. Its tentacles can reach up to 100 feet long, and it has stinging cells that can be deadly to humans, despite its scary appearance. The lion's mane jellyfish is actually a very graceful creature, and it is an important part of the deep-sea ecosystem. Another amazing creature that lives on deep-sea coral reefs is the anglerfish. This is a very strange-looking fish with a large mouth and sharp teeth. It uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey, and it is one of the most successful predators in the deep sea. But our next video will show us something that we haven't seen before. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if a shark and a spider had a baby? Well, wonder no more, because this is the sharktopus. This is a very rare creature that is a cross between a shark and an octopus. It is very elusive and has only been seen a few times. It is said to be able to swim at incredible speeds and can change its shape to fit into small spaces. This makes it a very dangerous predator because it can sneak up on its prey and then strike very quickly. The sharktopus is also known as the kraken, and legend has it that the kraken is a gigantic monster that lives in the ocean and attacks ships. While there is no evidence that the kraken exists, there are many stories of sea monsters that could explain the existence of this creature. The next creature we will be looking at is the blobfish. This is one of the strangest looking creatures in the ocean, and it is definitely one of the most unlucky. The blobfish lives deep in the ocean where the water pressure is very high. This causes its body to be compressed, and it gives it the appearance of being pregnant or having a large tumor. Despite its scary appearance, the blobfish is actually a very gentle creature, and it feeds on small crustaceans. Unfortunately, the blobfish is very vulnerable to changes in the environment, and it is currently endangered. This is because the water temperature is rising, and this is causing the blobfish to move deeper and deeper in search of colder water. Our next creature is the lantern shark. This is a very mysterious creature that lives in the deep sea and is rarely seen by humans. The lantern shark is known for its large eyes and its ability to produce light. This light is used to lure prey and to communicate with other lantern sharks. These creatures are very elusive, and it is said that they can only be seen for a few seconds at a time. But if you are lucky enough to see one, it will be an experience that you will never forget. Another strange creature that lives in the deep sea is the viperfish. This is a very scary looking fish with sharp teeth and a large mouth. It is known for its ability to swallow prey whole, and it is one of the top predators in the deep sea. The viperfish is also known for its venomous bite, and it can use this venom to paralyze its prey. But now we will look at something that was never supposed to exist. Scientists were shocked when they discovered this creature because it shouldn't even be alive. The Japanese had created this creature in a lab for scientific research purposes. However, they soon realized that they had made a mistake and that this creature should not have been brought into existence. The creature is a hybrid between a monkey and a fish, and it is extremely intelligent. It has the ability to understand human language, and it can solve complex problems. It is also very social and needs a lot of attention. The Japanese knew that they couldn't keep this creature alive in the lab, so they released it into the ocean, hoping that it would be able to survive in the wild. However, scientists are concerned that this creature could become an invasive species and cause major problems in the ecosystem. Up next, we will look at the mysterious anglerfish. This is a very strange-looking fish with a large mouth and sharp teeth. It uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey, and it is one of the most successful predators in the deep sea. The anglerfish is also known for its ability to swallow prey whole, and it has been known to eat creatures larger than itself. This is all possible thanks to its stretchy stomach, which can expand to accommodate large prey. The anglerfish is a master of disguise, and it is often able to blend in with its surroundings. This makes it very difficult for prey to spot it until it is too late. Another interesting creature that lives in the deep sea is the gulper eel. This is a very long and thin eel-like creature with a large mouth and sharp teeth. It is known for its ability to swallow large prey, and it is one of the most voracious predators in the deep sea. The gulper eel is also known for its ability to live in very harsh environments, and it has been found in waters as deep as 2-3 miles. But now we will look at something that you've probably never seen before. This is the bizarre world of deep-sea crustaceans. Crustaceans are a group of arthropods that includes crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. And there are many different types of crustaceans that live in the deep sea. One of the most interesting crustaceans that lives in the deep sea is the giant amphipod. This is a very large shrimp-like creature with a voracious appetite. It is known for its ability to eat large amounts of organic matter, and it is often found in deep sea waters. Another strange crustacean that lives in the deep sea is the deep sea spider. This is a very creepy-looking creature with long legs and a large abdomen. It is known for its ability to capture prey and suck the life out of it. But now we will look at something that is truly terrifying. This is the ghostly white octopus. This is a very rare creature that is rarely seen by humans. It is known for its ability to change color and texture, and it is one of the most elusive creatures in the deep sea. The ghostly white octopus is also known for its intelligence, and it has been observed using tools to help it hunt. Finally, we will look at the strange world of deep-sea microorganisms. Microorganisms are tiny creatures that are found in all environments on Earth, and there are many different types of microorganisms that live in the deep sea. One of the most interesting microorganisms that live in the deep sea are the foraminifera. These are single-celled organisms that have a shell, and they are known for their ability to reproduce quickly. Another strange microorganism that lives in the deep sea is the radiolarian. This is a single-celled organism with a shell made of silica, and it is known for its ability to capture prey and engulf it. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the rare creatures that were caught on camera during a recent expedition. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.